How to fix your connection is not private in Chrome on your iPhone. So if you're seeing this error message that says your connection is not private, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. So the first thing you need to do is just go and load up the settings on your phone. You could then scroll all the way down this page and click on General. Now scroll down again until you see Date and Time and click on this. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on and then come back over to the previous window. You can then scroll down to VPN and Device Management and select this. Make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs. As you can see here, it says not connected. Once you've done that, come back over to the main settings page and scroll to the very bottom. You can then click on Apps, scroll down again until you see Safari and click on this. Now scroll down to Clear Browsing Data and click on Clear History and Website Data. Make sure all history is selected and press Clear History. You'll also need to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Advanced. Make sure Block All Cookies is turned off and disabled. You can then go and close out of this window and try opening an internet browser and heading back over to the website. Now if it's still not working, click on the 3 horizontal dots, click on New Private tab, and try opening the website in a private browser. You can also try clicking on the address bar, and at the beginning of the URL, type in https:// and then type in the website URL and press enter. Now if it's still not working, close out of this window, go and open up your settings and click on your profile name. You could then select iCloud, scroll down to iCloud features and press private relay. Now go and turn off and disable the private relay and press turn off. Once you've done that, that should have fixed the connection is not private on your iPhone.